Does flexible working really reduce absenteeism? To know that we will build an HR model to explain this relationship, how can we build a model to explain the relationship between absenteeism and flexible working hours? Many organizations ask, does flexibility really reduce absenteeism? We can answer this by building a data-driven model. Here's how: define variables. Dependent variable, absenteeism, number of absent days, absence rate. Independent variable, flexibility, yes or no, hours per week, or levels of flexibility. Collect data from HR records, attendance logs, flexible working policy, demographics, tenure. Explore the data. Compare average absenteeism between flexible versus non-flexible groups. Visualize trends with bar charts or box plots. A case study to explain this impact of flexible working hours on absenteeism. A mid-sized IT company with 250 employees noticed high absenteeism rates, especially among younger employees. Management introduced flexible working hours. Employees could start between 7 a.m. and 10 a.m. and leave accordingly for half of the departments, while the other half kept fixed schedules, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. After 6 months, HR collected attendance and absence records. This table explained first the employee's numbers, which is 10, and employee ID. Flexibility of working hours 0 or 10 refers to no flexible hours, and 1 refers to flexible hours, then absence day, departments, and years of experience. We will use 2 statistics tests. Text group means no flexibility, flexibility equals 0. Absence days equals 10, 12, 8, 9, 11. Mean equals 10.0, with flexibility, flexibility equals 1. Absence days equals 5, 4, 3, 6, 4. Mean equals 4.4. Independent samples t-test, Welch's test. T-statistic equals 6.42, p-value equals 0.0003. Since p less than 0.01, the difference is statistically significant. Employees with flexible working hours had much lower absenteeism compared to those without flexibility. This shows a significant difference between the two groups, based only on that sample table. Regression model. Absenteeism equals beta 0 plus beta, 1 times flexibility plus beta, 2 times control factors plus epsilon. Absenteeism equals beta 0 plus beta, 1 times flexibility plus beta, 2 times control factors plus epsilon. Absenteeism equals beta 0 plus beta, 1 times flexibility plus beta, 2 times control factors plus epsilon. This helps measure how much flexibility influences absenteeism, controlling for age, tenure, department, etc. Interpret results. A negative coefficient, beta 1, means flexibility reduces absenteeism. No significance? Other factors may matter more: stress, job role, engagement. Turn insights into action. If flexible hours cut absenteeism, expand the policy. If not, investigate other workplace drivers of absence. Takeaway. By treating absenteeism as a measurable outcome and flexibility as a testable factor, organizations can move from assumptions to evidence-based HR decisions. A linear regression model was used.